Hi, sir.
Hello, Archie. Today we'll be doing conic section of advanced level. Okay,
Okay.
you know every concept now.
Yes, sir. I know. Hopefully, I know. Okay.
Okay, and there should not be any problem. If at all some concept you miss, I'll teach them. No problem. But let's start with this problem. What happened, yaar? Conic section I have done now. Conic section advanced problem is there. Synchronize. Acha, Archie, it's taking some time. Let me share the question on your WhatsApp.
Okay, sir.
I think you have got the question, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me fix it. Let me draw the diagram for you so that you better understand this question.
Sir.
You're able to see now? Are you able to get the
Yes,
idea
yes,
how to
yes.
solve it? So
Yes,
then
I am able.
you solve by
Yes.
yourself. I'm just drawing the idea. If you get stuck somewhere else, you just tell me. I'll teach you. I'll tell you how to. Tangents are drawn to the ellipse and a circle at the points. Hmm. That means if this is our circle and this is our ellipse, this is circle, this is ellipse, a common order cuts them at the points where hmm. I did multiple mistakes. Actually, are you solving like this?
Yes, sir. It's simple.
And this way it should be easy. You just put the values. But the trickier part is how you will get the value of the maximum value. Because the tan theta, if I do, will be minus b by a cot alpha minus of minus cot alpha. No? Now, what they have given in the question, the greatest acute angle between these tangents. You have to make this tan theta greatest. How will do it? Which I can do one thing. By tan alpha, a tan alpha, a minus b.
Can you show
Fine.
option once?
See, are you getting any option?
I think no, sir. No, no options matching.
Let me see. See, a minus b by a tan alpha, a tan alpha plus a will cancel. B cot alpha it has become. It's there, na? A minus b is there, na? A minus. Actually, from here I am able to conclude that A must be the answer. If I'm not getting anything, I would have put A. They have also given the answer is, I think, A only. Because in the numerator I'm getting A minus B. But how will we conclude the final answer? It is A minus B divided by one
Sir,
thing
we can
is
take theta as alpha because it's the maximum value.
we can take.
Theta as alpha
Why? No, you cannot. Otherwise,
because it's the
how you will
maximum
get the
value.
value? No, Archie, you cannot. We have to analyze this situation. This situation when, according to this, the theta should this tan theta should become maximum. Acha, I can do one thing. If I take this as root a tan alpha plus root b tan alpha, or I'll do minus. Then I'll be able to find out. If I take its square, this is a tan alpha plus b cot alpha will be there. Minus what will be there? Minus 2 av minus 2 root av will be there. So I'll I'll add 2 root ab. I think we are getting now. I think we have got it. So the maximum value of tan theta
So the
maximum will get
square
is
part is
2
0.
root ab.
So it's a minus b by 2.
Hmm. A minus b by 2 root ab. And the value at which we'll get it is when a tan alpha is equal to b cot alpha. Means tan square alpha is equal to b by a. Means at tan alpha is equal to root over b by a, we'll get this maximum value. Now we got the answer. A. How was this question? Tough or easy?
It was no
Tricky.
medium to
Medium, na?
tough.
Hmm.
Medium to tough.
Because see, getting up to this part, getting up to this concept, taking these subset parametric equations and forming this, finding out the angle, it was okay. This we would do naturally. But getting to this maximum part was a bit tricky.
That completing the squares with that continues.
Hmm. Let me give you one more question. Try to see this one. Hmm. Try this.
Sir, here the vertex are 0, comma b and 0, comma minus b, right? Because b is greater than a.
Why? B is greater than A. Okay. Ah. But I think Archie in this question now, if I see in this question it won't matter if A is less than B. If you solve by using B greater than A or A greater than B, doesn't
Okay, okay. It won't matter
no change will be there because
because we have to find 1 by one side square plus 1 by another
hmm,
side square. So it's same.
and they are actually perpendicular. So you have to take the parametric points on hyperbola and the line joining them are actually perpendicular.
Okay.
So
So we have to solve according to.
but I think, see, but I'm visualizing. I think there should not be any problem, but you solve using b greater than a only.
Okay.
What is cos of 90 plus theta? Minus sin theta. Doesn't matter. Sin square theta by a square and cos theta, cos square theta by b square. These are the two equations. I think it's easy to simplify them. 1 by Cp square plus 1 by Cq square they're asking, no? Cp square you can take common. From 1 you will get, actually very easy. I did not think this would be so easy. 1 by Cp square cos square theta by a square minus sin square theta by b square. 1 by Cq square from the equation 2 we are getting sin square theta by a square. Arey yaar, this is very easy, Archie. I think you would have solved it. You solved it now?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. What is the answer? Answer
C
is
option, yes.
answer is same. It was not difficult. Let me give you a different kind of question. Achha, try to solve this one. This is actually a column based question. We will solve some passage based questions also. How will you categorize this, Archie? This one? This is medium level, easy level, or tough level? Definitely not tough
Was
level.
easy. Very
Easy.
easy.
It
Yes,
was
yes.
easy. Actually, it was of mains level, not
Means, yes.
advanced. Try attempting this. Aji, have you ever solved questions from Black Book?
No, sir. Uh,
Never.
no, sir.
Do you know about Black Book?
Yes, yes, I know.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, not sir.
Select some questions from the Black Book and then give you good one. Level of questions good. I think I have one. Where's the book? Yeah, Aji, this one. Able to see?
Yes, sir, even sure.
Mm-hmm. This is a black one. Black Book.
Wait,
See, we find a good question here. I don't find actually the questions are tough. Questions are not that tough. One more than correct answer. Calculus where it's famous because it contains all different types of questions, section wise.
so here, how to how to solve the B and C part? It's, what are
Acha, you
these
got the A
eccentric
part.
angles? No, no, no. I've not got any part. I'm just saying that to solve B and C.
Acha, how to solve B and C? The eccentric angles of a point on the ellipse. That is just 2 units from the center of the ellipse. You assume a point. See, this is an ellipse. What can be done? I can suggest you. This is an ellipse, suppose. You assume a point. It's a cos theta, b sin theta, na?
Yes.
X square by 6 plus y square by 2 is equal to 1 is given. This is major 1. So it will be root 6
Parametric points.
cos theta comma root 2 sin theta, like that. Now what they have given of a point on the ellipse at a distance 2 units from the center of the ellipse. This is at a distance of 2 units. Means you have to find out this angle only, theta. Understood? How you will find the distance? It's given now. The distance of the point with the center
Yes.
is
So
this.
you can do 6
6
cos
cos
square
square
theta
theta,
plus 2 sin
6 cos square theta plus 2 sin square theta is actually equal to 4. Solve this equation. Get into 1. 6 cos, if you want to get into cos square theta plus 2 minus 2 cos square theta is equal to 4. We should get it. So So 4 cos square theta, it's easy. 4 cos square theta is equal to 2 we are getting. Cos square theta is equal to 1 by 2. Eh? So cos theta will be equal to, I'm correct na? 2 by
Yes.
4, correct.
So one answer is pi by 4 and one more answer can be there. Yes,
pi by
5 pi
4
by
and
4.
5 pi by 4. Let me check the answer.
So I think it's option A only. Because other option is
I didn't think this this would be tough for you. I don't know where you got. Acha, multiple answers are there. See, during my year, for first time they have introduced these
this
kinds of
one.
things. These kinds of things. The mistake I did was I actually, like we saw, call one answer only will be there. One answer I have ticked. Suppose for this example, if I take this is there. For the second point, we are getting two answers, this and this. So I have thought of one answer and just tried to. The codes are not like this. It was given some other way.
Okay.
Then later, after 3 or 4 questions, I realized multiple answers are
Multiple
there.
correct. Yes.
Multiple answers are there in this because we never see like these type of questions. No? My so much of time was wasted, but the paper was very tough. Cutoff was very low. You won't believe the cutoff. Many of my friends got negative marks. Cutoff was
Yes.
9. Even though
You said
I
50,
got
50 or 60 cut off.
no. The cutoff for mathematics was very low. It was some 9 or 10 marks.
Oh yes, it's 9 or 10. 50
That
and 60 also I think physics and chemistry.
50 and physics, 60 for the physics and chemistry. Even though my marks were good, but the paper was very tough. I was actually crying after the paper, but later I realized when I talked to my sir, actually there were one normal coaching where I used to go, and the other one was the FitG. FitG gave me the free coaching because I was in Vishakhapatnam. They gave I scored very well in this open test, so they gave free coaching for 3 or 4 students. So my rank was second.
Okay.
Then that when I talked to that math sir, he used to like me very much. That math sir told me, "Don't worry, Mayank. The paper was actually one of the very toughest paper." So B's are here only we have got the answer. It's A.
Yes. A option.
But just look at it whether you will be able to solve A, C, and D options.
So like
For C,
only it's C and B are same
C and B
and
are same.
A and D are same. So
Tangent to the ellipse.
can you show A or D? It's A or
A
D
or
in
D.
one.
Wait. Let me show A1. If the tangent to the ellipse at the point is a normal to the circle, then it should be radius. See how we'll do it. We'll assume a point on this ellipse. Given ellipse is x square by 16 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. So any point on it can be 4 cos theta, comma 2 sin theta. Correct? This is the point. Now, if you want, you can find out the tangent on this. It will be x by 4 cos theta plus y by 2 sin theta is equal to 1, right? This is the tangent.
Yes.
And this tangent is actually the normal to the circle.
Okay.
And we know when anything is normal to the circle, that has to pass to the center.
Centrals.
So that means this we have to find out the center of the circle, which is 4,2.
So 4,2
Would be passing through it.
So
it will be passing through it. Now it is solved very easily. The 4,2 will be passing through it. So it will satisfy it. That means 4 by 4 cos theta plus 2 by 2 sin theta. This is also, it's why they are giving so easy question. cos theta plus sin theta is equal to 1. Now you can either you can multiply root 2 on both numerator denominator, like that you can do, or you can square both sides and then do it. So it will become 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1. So sin 2 theta will be equal to 0. Theta is equal to 0 we are getting.
Yes, so one answer is I think
P.
P1. Yes,
And also should I, why they're
should be R.
saying it, why it is R? We'll get for 2 theta. Acha, pi na. Okay, 0 and pi will get the answer. So theta should be equal to
So
0
pi
or
by
theta is equal to pi by 2. Correct. 0 and pi by 2. Correct. But pi by 4 they are saying?
pi by 2 or pi by 4 they say yes. Definitely.
How will get pi by 4? How is it possible? Acha. They are asking 5 by 2 na? Oh, they are asking, we have found out the value
So
of
then it's
theta,
pi
that
by
is
4.
5. And they are asking 5 by 2. 5 by 2 will be 0 by 2 and pi by 2 divided by 2. So it will be pi by 4 only, na? 0, pi by 4. Correct. Hmm. Right. So P and R. Understood?
Yes, sir.
They are actually easy questions. Okay, let me give you one question mixing with coordinate geometry and complex numbers. Actually, one thing I find here, most of the questions, the tough question that they are giving, they think actually they're following one pattern. One pattern is they're actually giving questions based on the parameters.
Parameters, tangents,
Hmm.
all those.
Then
Normals.
actually on these, using this parameter, they can form very different kinds of questions. It's easy to form. This should be different. No tangent. Try to see.
Only one option has it too.
Acha, wait, let me see. 24.
A's are.
Correct. At least they should have given two options same.
Yes, with A with R. Two or three
Hmm.
options same.
Hmm.
All are PSQ are different.
Just look at it. You have found out how to solve
First one.
A1. First one. Can you solve B, C, and D?
Yes, yes, I can.
Okay, na?
Yes, there is. There is.
Okay, okay. Then no need to solve. They're actually given similar kinds of questions. Acha, actually, can you solve this one? This is a different kind of question, so I'm giving you this. But I don't know it's difficult or easy. Just I found it's different, so I'm giving you. And, see, Archie, try to solve. Did you solve it?
No, sir.
Try to solve it. Take it as a homework.
Okay.
If you got the answer, just message me, or otherwise we'll discuss in next
Else,
class.
else you can solve this
Else I'll
question.
solve and send you. Okay.